Hello everyone, in today's video I'm going to show you how you can get the new Discord avatar decoration for Emma Frost in the new Season 2. If you didn't know, the new season has just released on Marvel Rivals here. The new Battle Pass has released and all of the new updates, including the new hero Emma Frost. And if you go into Discord here, we can see that there is a new quest for Marvel Rivals for the Emma Frost avatar decoration. And all you have to do is play Marvel Rivals for 15 minutes with your Discord client open. Before this video starts, if you are needing help with creating your first Discord server, please check out my tutorials in the playlist tab on my channel and under the Academy series or in the Bots Guide series if you do want to set up an amazing Discord server for your Discord account. As well as please subscribe. We are going for 2,000 subscribers, and when I hit 2,000 subscribers, I'll be giving away 3 months of Discord Nitro to 3 different winners in my Discord server, which by the way is linked on my page here, and it will be linked in the description below. Anyways, back to the video. So all you're going to do, guys, is go to the Quest tab and under the Discovery tab on your Discord app. By the way, this has to be done on the PC app. It cannot be done on mobile, and it could also be done on the browser. So if you're having issues with it with whatever reason, you could also do it on the browser such as Google and go to discord.com/app. So all you're going to want to do is click accept quest, and then it will start the quest up. Then normally you would choose if it's console or PC, but since I'm already on PC, it automatically chose it for me since I'm in the game. And the green bar will start to fill up until it hits 100%, which will take 15 minutes. Once again, remember you do have to have your Discord client open at the same time as your game, so you can't close Discord and then open your game for it to actually work. And once again, if you're having any issues with this progress bar not going up, make sure you have the correct platform selected and that the game is open at the same time. While we're waiting, I want to quickly mention that once you claim the avatar decoration, you only get to have it for 2 months. So the actual decoration itself only stays on your Discord profile for 2 months at most. I also want to note that this quest is only available until April 18th or next Friday. So you only have 1 week to actually get this avatar decoration. Okay, so it's been 15 minutes now, and we can see that the progress bar is fully filled, and we now have the claim reward button. So if we click on claim reward, it will claim the reward, we'll verify ourselves, and it will pop up. There we go. As you can see, we have just earned the new Emma Frost avatar decoration. And by the way, guys, for you that do Discord quests normally for your avatar decorations, Discord has recently done an update where you can actually keep the decoration if you have Discord Nitro. So if you do have Discord Nitro and you get one of their avatar decorations, whenever it may be, you could actually keep it forever, ever. And this is real. You could actually keep the avatar decoration. It simply just has an expiry date, but there is no expiry date anymore, which there used to be. So as you can see, some of my old ones here actually have shown up, which originally, see, look, available to use until September 9th, 2024, but now I could use it again because they have done an update recently to Nitro users. So this is actually a new update here. So you actually, if you have Nitro, you do not have a time limit for the avatar decoration. Although if you don't have Nitro, you probably will still have a limited time of 2 months after claiming it. But based on these results here, if you have Nitro, you should be totally fine. Anyway though, guys, thank you for watching this video. Hopefully this helped you out and hopefully you got your avatar decoration. Please join my Discord server once again. It is in the link in the description below. Please subscribe. Once again, we are going for 2,000 subscribers. And as well as if you'd like to support the channel, please become a channel member today for bonus perks and as well as updates for new future videos. So it is, guys. I will see you guys in the next Discord tutorial. Hope you have a great rest of your day and a good weekend, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye-bye.